So basically, it was like a year ago. A lot of the members of the original Keep Boston Fishing, they were wanting some kind of shirts or hats made, and so we didn't normally do them, and so we finally decided that enough people asked us that we wanted to go ahead and host like a pre-order sales event and see how many hats and shirts we could move. So I figured since I was doing it anyways, I'd reach out to a couple friends of mine and see if they wanted to come out, get a little FaceTime with some of our members, bring out their products. We invited Forage Lures, we invited Bass Pro Shops, we invited quite a few of them, and most importantly is why we're here today, we invited Leviathan Rods. So I called Eric and I asked him if he wanted to come up, set up a booth, and maybe offer up a custom Keep Boston fishing rod.
Okay. Good.
So a little over a year ago, Beau called me and asked me if I'd be interested in donating a custom Keep Boston fishing rod for a raffle at the slab event that we were having. And I was humbled and honored by the opportunity, emphatically said yes, and got to work on creating the best fishing rod I could think of at the time.
So yeah, we were right in the middle of this pre-order sales event, and everything was going well. We had a lot of people showing up, a lot of the people that we invited out, including Eric. It was going well, and there was a lot of buzz that got created about this rod, and a lot of people wanted it. And so I asked Eric if he wanted to talk in the future about maybe producing a collaborative signature rod with the original Keep Boston Fishing.